What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Joe here from Dad's Simply Cooking. And we're making dinner. Well, what are we making for dinner? We're making a side dish. This side dish deserves its own video. This is a video that you need to save, favorite, whatever you need to do. Because when you make this for this summer, for that backyard barbecue, that family reunion, whatever you go to, make this and you're literally going to watch the socks blow off of people. They're going to be asking you, where'd you get this recipe from? And you can be like, oh, I figured it out myself. It's a family recipe. Whatever you want to say, I don't care. Keep it to yourself, share it, whatever. I guarantee you, this is some of the best mac and cheese you will ever have. So how do we do it? My favorite shells that I've been using is this small shells. The small shells, great value. We use 1.5 boxes. Why? I don't know. It just works perfectly for this recipe and for my baking dish. I've been making this mac and cheese for a while, and that's how I've been doing it. I got water boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodles to that water, so that way everything's ready. Here's the things you're gonna need for this, okay? I got 16 ounces of hand-shredded cheddar cheese. You know why? Because they say cheddar is better, okay? Then I got 16 ounces of pepper jack cheese, because pepper jack just makes it pop, okay? You're also gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese. Any kind of cream cheese you wanna use, that's fine. We also have 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use about a tablespoon of ground mustard. That mustard is going to make that flavor pop. You're not even going to taste it. Just trust me on it. Okay? Then I got my salt, my pepper. This here is about 1/4 to a little bit over 1/4 a box of Cheez-Its. And I got my butter in the microwave. This is going to go on top, and it's going to be goodness. As we get started with this, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, because this bad boy's going in that oven. We're also going to do 1 whole cup of whipping cream, 1 can of evaporated. Here's how we start. We're going to take our butter, and we're going to make what they call a roux, okay? A roux is just a French word for let's impact that flavor and make it explode. I don't think that's the real term or real definition of it, but it sounds good to me. So that's what we're going to go with. So into our bowl, we're at about a medium to high heat. Butter starts to melt. 3 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons. And you kind of want to make like a little dough ball. Now, your roux will truly affect the flavor of your mac and cheese. And if you want your mac and cheese a little spicy, you can add like some Texas Pete or something like that. And it will give it that defining taste. All right, now 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is a mac and cheese I make every now and then. It hasn't made it to the week rotation, because if it did, I'd be about 400 more pounds. And then our can of evaporating milk. And then you just want to whisk. So I broke my cream cheese up because you kind of just want to kind of incorporate this in so it melts evenly. And that way you're not wasting a lot of time sitting there waiting for it to melt more. So you see that cream cheese is slowly starting to melt. I'm going to start adding my ground mustard in here. And it's going to look like a lot. And as we get there, we're going to start incorporating our cheddar. As you see, look how thick that looks. Looking pretty nice. We're going to save the rest of our cheddar cheese for our topping. So now, I'm going to add my pepper jack. This will add flavor. What about there? I turn my pan down to low. And we're going to pour it right on in with our noodles. Slowly start to incorporate it all in. I just pour it in there. Just like that. And yes, I do have some left. Why, Joey? Why do you have left some? Because, y'all, there is a rule that I have to follow. When I make this, I have to make my mom some. So now we're going to take our leftover cheese and we're just going to sprinkle it right on top. Nothing too fancy. Just like that. And then our pepper jack. And the pepper jack does not give it has a little bit of a kick to it, but it's not hot. Like my kids love it. So. And now finally, our Cheez-It breadcrumbs. We're just going to sprinkle right on top. And I did the 4 cheese blend. We'll go ahead and throw these bad boys into the oven. I'll get back with you when we're pulling them out. And I guarantee you, once you see that, you're going to be like, oh my God, I'm going to have to make that. All right, all right, all right. Y'all ready? I showed y'all a little preview. Let's see the real thing. Pulled it out a little while ago. Let it cool. It's not as hot, but look at that. Look at her. Oh, that. Alright, y'all. Here's what we're about to do. We're going to plate up because it's dinner time. I got 2 little kids we got to wrestle in from outside. They're going to break something. So we're about to go fight 2 little kids. We're going to make plates. We got some grilled chicken, some green beans. And we're going to go have family time. So y'all, keep it real. Keep it simple. Thank y'all so much for liking and subscribing on my videos and commenting. I love reading y'all's comments, so drop a comment below. Thank y'all so much. I greatly appreciate y'all. Peace out. I love ya. Keep it simple. Happy Memorial Day. Past tense.